Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the comments. Let's get straight into it. Ronakio says, keep an eye on Raydium, bro. Yes, sir, I'm aware of Raydium. Raydium is the largest DEX on Solana. Raydium, and it's been listed for a year. And yes, Raydium is blasting off. It is following Sol's trajectory. As long as Sol is up, very likely Raydium will be up as well. And Raydium's already in price discovery. So as long as Raydium is above the skinny pink line, remain with a bullish bias. And it's not really that obvious, but this was an accumulation that came on before it blasted off. To be honest, there was also another DEX, two largest DEXs on Sol. Another one is called ORCA. ORCA Whirlpool. So for ORCA, okay, you won't see it here. You're probably going to see it because there's not much liquidity here. So if you look at ORCA on, let's say, Gate, right? There was a very nice squeeze that came. Very, very nice squeeze. Right. You see this? What a beauty. What a beauty. Lower highs, low highs, low highs, and high lows, high lows. There was a squeeze. Bam! We blasted off. Right. And the squeeze, right, before it blasted off, there was 102 days. You had 102 days to make a move for it when it was in consolidation. This is a beautiful chart pattern. Beautiful chart pattern. But I wasn't aware of Whirlpool at that point. And then after that, yeah, it just busted off. Right. You could have gone in, okay, let's say for example, right? Replay! Let's go back. Go back in time, right? So you might see something like this. Oh my god, there's a completion of a E, right? A, B, C, D, E. And we're above the skinny pink line. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, no, I don't think so. I don't think so, right? Where was this? 27 days. You made an entry, let's say in July, right? You made an entry. Let's go! What happened? No, we didn't go. But the thing is, look at the skinny pink line, right? As long as we're above the skinny pink line, remain with a bullish bias. And of course, liquidity is low. You can see stray wicks here and there. So liquidity was actually pretty low over here. And after that, yeah, in October, something miraculous happened. And you wouldn't know if and when it happens. It just moves very suddenly. Oh, that's it. That's a breakout. You see that? We're nicely accumulating over here. Consolidating. And then the breakout happens. That's it. It's go time. It's go time. So you had 100 days to make a move. It's never too late. To be honest, even if we break out, you can always wait for a retrace. Right? It'll be very not as obvious, right? But yeah, usually you'll find rest periods, right? And even when we break the big mega resistance, usually there'll be a retrace as well before we continue higher. So yeah, and again, if you got in anywhere here, this would have been a 900% trade. It's almost a 10x. If you're at 1,000 here, you would have 19 at the top. Sorry, what am I talking about? 9,000, right? So yeah, almost 10,000. I think we're gonna go higher. Again, just follow the simple rule of staying above the skinny pink line. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, stay with a bullish bias. Is it time to be making moves for ORCA? No. You move on. Right? Unless, of course, you know what you're doing, right? If you're trading and all, sure. I think there's still some more meat towards the upside. We'll probably go towards $14, $15. But yeah, again, the big chunk of the move has already been done. So if I had to guess, right, there's the top, there's the bottom. We're more than halfway there. Moves should have been made when it's down, not when it's above halfway. So, but yeah, anyway, it is what it is. So there you go. Yes, I'm aware of Raydium. Do you think Hero can reach $1 in this bull market? I don't know, bro. Skinny, if constantly put out quality content, you may not get the views now that you used to before YouTube shut down your last. I know, there was a mistake. But the quality of your content has remained top-notch. Thank you very much. Keep doing your thing, bro. People who have been here since the beginning know your worth. Thank you very much. Thank you for the kind words. Prop C, let's go. Cat token, $6. Yeah, bro, there's so many cat token. I don't know which cat token you're talking about. There's so many cat token. And all of it is like, it's not even $1. Okay, you're talking about this, right? This is like 0.08 here. 8 zeros. There are 9 zeros here, so like, yeah, I don't think you're talking about this, right? Okay, I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna assume you're gonna talk about this. So for cat token, the question of is $6 possible? let's look at highs. Yo, bro, where is the highs? The highs is here. So what is realistic? I mean, to you, what do you think is realistic? Would it be realistic to expect things to head up to its high over here? Right. You're talking about 6 again. I can't answer this question. I don't know whether it's going to go up to 6 or not. If anything, if you got in anywhere here or you got in anywhere here, it'd be wise to secure a big chunk of your profit at $1, around $1. Sure, we can go higher. Of course, you can leave some on, but it'll be good to rotate your profits into another coin. So this is why it's good to have the skill of technical analysis, and you're not just tied to CAT token and you're hoping and praying to the gods of CAT to go up to $6, right? So if you know what you're doing, you secure profits over here. Let's say you get out 80%, right? You can shift your 80% into something else. And this is big profit. Let's say, for example, you got in over here. After you broke the significant line, right? Bullish trend confirm. Yeah, this could be a 10x, 10, 12x, right? 1,200%. So let's say if you, again, put 1,000 over here, it's 12,000. You just made 12,000. So let's say you leave 2,000 in, 1,000, you move it into somewhere else. What am I talking about? 10,000, you move it into somewhere else. 2,000, you just leave it on, right? If it goes parabolic, great. You still have skin in the game. But for 10,000, you can move it into something else, right? Something else, and you can break it into 10 other different projects. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. And if any of those projects, you know, just 2 or 3 of those projects do another 10x, there'll be another 30k, right? And this is how you grow your pot, right? You just keep reinvesting again and again and again, right? And applying the same thing over and over and over. The bull run is here, and there's still plenty of other opportunities. So yeah, just keep an eye out on the opportunities, right? So yeah, there you go. Hope it answers your question. Glooch Liach says, it's dumping. No, still worth it. Maybe. Sologenic, let's go! Good to see someone appreciate this token. It's a gem sub. Let's go! Also symmetrical triangle is seen in the last few weeks of price action. Yes. All the solo fans. Thanks, Skinny. Great call. I'm hoping xFUND call will be legendary. We'll see how it goes, right? We talked about xFUND, so I don't know if it's gonna do again. Trading is there's no guarantees in trading. xFUND could just drop to 0 any moment, right? The next second, next minute, next day, next week, next month, xFUND could just drop to 0. But if all things go well, we're expecting a breakout for xFUND, and xFUND is in a very beautiful A, B, C, D. I think this is a wave E coming on, right? To be honest, we can actually drop even lower here to sweep these lows. But as long as we don't take out these lows, it's great. Potentially, you know, we could be accumulating much longer before the breakout comes. The thing I don't like about slanted type of a resistance is that even if we were to break out, there could be a very deep retrace, right? And this whole thing could become something else, right? Even if it is an ABCD, right? We could just go all the way to the top over here. Let's say we take out these clusters of stop buys over here. We could still hang around here for a bit longer, right? For a few months, even a year or two, before we continue higher, right? Yes, we have a target over here at 100,000. But again, this is the price you pay, right? The price of time. You have to wait for things to materialize. So yeah, there you go. That's xFUND for you. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Stuart J says, I'm surprised streamer market cap is so low. It's the backbone to projects like Demo, which are doing really well right now. Yeah, I think streamer is going to do very well. We have high hopes for streamer. We are aware of the potential. So yeah, glad you see it too. Data will make millionaires. Let's go! QTUM is breaking out start. I don't think so though. It did break out, but there was a deep retrace. So yeah, so QTUM was another call that we made, right? Look at this, A, B, C, D, E. We're out. Sure, we're expecting QTUM to go much higher than this. And yeah, no, I think we're gonna go much higher. We're not done yet. So again, if we were to cut QTUM and split it into half, we're not even halfway there yet. So I would expect us to take out the clusters of stop buys over here. So probably $20. Right now we're only at $4.76, under $5. So this will be another potential 300% more towards the upside. So QTUM still has yeah, a little bit more left. Not a little, it's quite a lot to be honest. But yeah, again, not too late. 300% is a lot of money. So if you know what you're doing, then yeah, I think QTUM is gonna do really well for you. So good luck. Good luck. Good luck, Freddy. Could you do SWFTCoin? I don't think there's anything for SWFTCoin. SWFTCoin is already out, right? And there's just no. Okay, okay, it's not Swift. This is different one. So SWFTCoin is just newly listed. We don't have much information on it. So yeah, for us it's a no-go at the moment. Great call. Thank you very much. Probably looks good indeed. Let's go. Supply is low. Good project. Not selling till double digits. Good luck. Good luck. Robert says, thanks, Skinny. You're welcome. How can you check how many coins are left on exchanges? What do you mean? How many coins are left on exchanges? I don't know what? Just I don't know. What? Just I don't know how to answer this question. Anyway, William says, look at probably go Skinny. Let's go. This sorry now. I've had some cat tokens for a while at $4 for billions of coins. Cool gamble, and I'm not a gambler. But you just gamble, right? I checked the DEX recently. It's been trading, and I kept buying a bit more. So now today, $15 is $2.50. Good job. Good job, buddy. High five. Good job. Yeah, so this is how you do it. You buy things when they are low. And you have to wait and pay the price of time. Well, of course, not everything turns out the way you expect it to, right? There'll be winners, there'll be losers. But the most important lesson is you never ever give up. Blue PT says, Sologenic, let's go! Sologenic, body the yo, bro, I just did Sologenic here. Why the exit? Exit? What are we talking about? Update, please! Please! I think I just updated Maple. Did I? No, I didn't. Okay, let's just take a quick look. Maple syrup. Maple teta. Oh, bro, we've already hit targets. Woohoo! So that's it. Is there more upside? Yeah, very likely. How much more? If I had to guess, $50. Right now, we're already at $22. So Maple, when we first saw it, right? Okay, let me see if I can find it. Maple syrup. Happy Canada Day. September 22nd. That was when we noticed it. We were saying high possibility of a new trend change towards the upside for maple syrup, right? And we were under the skinny pink line at that moment, right? There was a very nice squeeze coming on. Lower highs, low 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 highs. High low, high low, high low, high low, high low, low, low. Okay, no, there's just 3 to 4 high lows. Anyway, the point is, once it breaks, that's it. Sayonara, bitches! And we hit target. Ta-da! Usually we will overshoot and overachieve our targets. So yeah, that's Maple for you. I hope you did take profits though at 27, because you never know when things might just start reversing. Again, once you see volume, right, high volume, this means that whales are already securing their profits. So where was this? Ooh, okay, this is at around 27. So yeah, so that's maple syrup for you. More upside, yeah, very likely more upside. Again, we're above the skinny pink line, so more upside is to be expected for sure. But again, if we had to, pull out resistance support, cut it into half, we're more than halfway there, right? Even let's say, for example, we'll probably go towards the noisy area over here. So again, I'm expecting $50. So $50 is just not too far away, 95%. So the big chunk of the move has already been done, right? It's already 468%. If you did take profit, it's more than 400%, almost 500%. So again, if you had $1,000 over here, it would have been 5,000 now. So what do? You take profit, and you can take out like 70-80%. And after that, let it run. You never know if things might just go bananas, right? If it goes bananas, great. I have skin in the game. And then with the profit that you have, let's say 5,000, right? You put, let's say you leave in 1,000, you got another 4,000. You can put it into another 4 different projects, right? 4 different projects. So that's how you do it, boys and girls. That is how you do it. So there you go. Let's go. Get those likes up. Thanks for the info. You are welcome. I freaking love your analysis, man. You're probably the best. A hidden gem I have found making money now. Good job. But again, no guarantees, right? In trading, there's just no guarantees, right? So yeah, there you go. don't expect, the thing about trading is that everybody goes in with the expectation of making money with every single trade that they do. That's a mistake. You're going to come across losers as well as winners, obviously. But yeah, again, no guarantees in trading. Absolutely no guarantees. Appreciate. You are welcome. Absolutely love your technical analysis. Content on crypto, always informative, entertaining, and filled with valuable insights. Keep up the fantastic work. I learned so much from each video. Thank you very much for the kind words. He's excellent. Way better than some guy rambling on about nothing in the end. The charts is where the money is. Yes, sir. So you want to be very, very careful with the type of... Yo, bro, he's been here for 2 years, bro. 2 years. We value loyalty. Where's this? Charts. Okay, so you want to be very careful with the kind of people that you come across. Because in crypto is 90% scammers, right? And even if they are not scammers, they are what you would call as front runners. They will buy things very, very low and then they'll shill it to you. And then you will pump their backs up and then they just dump it on you. So, XVT is somebody who everyone should be following. XVT, shield list, influencers, price. Is this the one? I think it's the one. Yeah, so XVT is Saint Michael, right? He's the archangel protecting everybody. So if you were to look at this shield list, right? You see these guys? There's a whole list of people that you want to be very, very careful of. Very careful of every single tweet, right? That they tweet. You have to be so, so careful. Very careful. Right? One shield tweet, 2,000. 5 tweets, 10,000. Crazy. It's crazy stuff. Zuby as well. You might think that. Anyway, you're going to check it out in your own time. You'll be very, very careful, right? Where are we? Yeah, there you go. I'm Skinny too. Galaboom, let's go! Thank you, Skinny. You're welcome. Skinny the man, the legend. I'm digging your video thumbnails. Yes, sir. You can see the evolution of my video thumbnails. Skinny Moon Hunter. Right. Alright, this is me. And you can see previously it used to be just the logos, right? All the logos of the coins, right? If you look, if you go back to last year, you will see it's just all the logos of the coins, logos. So I was like, let's add something to make it more obvious. Let's add some text to it somewhere in January, right? This was the first one. I started adding text to it. So it's like, just by looking at the thumbnail without even reading the title, you will know that it's the pin, right? Top 20 or top 10. So just one glance, you will know what I'm talking about. So I think it's better this way. So yeah, there you go. All right. Where are we? Thank you very much. $10 possible? I don't know. We'll see. Oh my god. I don't know, bro. If I have a target, that's the target. If I don't have the target, we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes. But for TRAC, I don't know. Okay, no. I mean, again, I can't say for sure. Everyone is hoping to become millionaires, right? But the point is, you have to be realistic with things, and you have to work hard at it, right? I would assume that $3 is the all-time high, and 15 cents is the all-time low, and we're already halfway up. So if I had to guess, right, we're probably gonna hit like $2 plus. Again, I don't have any clear targets. I suspect we're probably gonna take out the highs over here. So if it were to be me, somewhere above $2 would be a good place to take profits, right? Watch out for the skinny pink line though. As long as we don't touch it. The moment we start touching it, then yeah, we could be coming back down. So $2, if it's me, if I got in anywhere around here, somewhere above $2, I'll start selling. So that would be me. That would be me. So if you want to hold it, it's totally up to you. Twister says, thanks. Good to have Hive on my radar now. Good luck. If Stylus reaches 40 cents in the halving time, that will make my day. Thanks. I appreciate how much knowledge you have when it comes to the charts. You are welcome. Thanks for the update. When Galabu run, when the time comes. Skinny, what do you think about small meme coins like CZ the Goat, Big Mike, and Gorilla? Enough volume to trade? Okay, this thing is a little bit tricky. So how do you know if there is, okay, how do you know how much, okay, wait, hang on, let me just read that. How to size your trades according to volume. Yeah, so this is how you do it. Let's say, for example, you want to trade small market cap, micro cap meme coins, right? Let's say, for example, we talk about CZ the goat, right? So if you look at CZ the goat 4 months ago, you look at liquidity, market cap, and liquidity. So if the liquidity is, let's say, for example, 248,000, right? You can put in about 1% of it, which is about 2005. Yeah, that will be your entries, 2005, so that you can get out without much slippage. It's very important to get out if things go wrong, and also if things go right. So for me, it is just a basic rule. It's very subjective, but for me, it's like just 1% of whatever the liquidity is. So you can also see the size that people are buying and selling at, right? $19, $90, $100, 1,002, right? Who is buying with 2005? Right? Nobody, for as far as we can see, right? Nobody. So yeah, you don't want to be the one that stand out, because if you make a very big order, the whales are gonna see you, and once the whales see you, right, they will try to hit your stop if you do have a stop. So yeah, and that's why Bitcoin is the only coin that multi-millionaires can trade. If you look at the volume, right, it's 32 billion. So 1% of 32 billion is 325 million. 1%. So again, you also have to spread yourself into different exchanges, not just on one. You have to spread yourself. And yeah, you can also trade Ethereum, 150 billion, right? There's also Theta. Yes? No? Okay, no. Yeah. Ethereum and Bitcoin. We can put serious money into these two coins because of the volume, right? So if you're a multimillionaire and you want to make, let's say you have 100 million and you'll be happy with 10%, right? Yeah. Bitcoin or Ethereum, either one, right? 10% of 100 million is 10 million, yo. 10 million. 10 million is bananas. So yeah, that's what I think about volume. So hope that helps. Ren says, I own $4 worth. I better buy more. Yes, the Golem has just started moving. It's just started a rally. Everyone is down, but Golem is up. It's like, hey. Thank you, Skinny. You're a master of crypto charting and altcoins. Thank you for doing AI crypto coins. Can you give an update on Cardano? I think I just did it though. Okay, I think this is last week. Okay, I just read through this. Yeah, so hope you guys have a great weekend. And if you have yet to check out, yesterday we did Metaverse coins. There's a few gems there, so check it out if you haven't yet. See you. Have a great weekend. Ta-ta.